Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. We have a critical fire weather area today that encompasses east central New Mexico and west central Texas. Cities in the critical fire weather area today include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Roswell, New Mexico, Clovis, New Mexico, and Hobbs, New Mexico. There's an elevated fire weather area today that covers southeastern Nevada, southern half of Utah, most of Arizona, a tiny bit of southeastern California, western and southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, most of New Mexico, western Texas, parts of the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, and western Texas. And if you notice, there's a brown circled area. The brown circled area is where we have the highest potential for isolated dry thunderstorms today. Alright? The brown circle is the highest potential for isolated dry thunderstorms today. Dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that occur without precipitation. You see, the air is so dry that the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground. So, that's the whole concept of a dry thunderstorm. Alright, you're just left with thunder and lightning, and if lightning hits the ground, it can ignite a fire. So yeah. So, in synopsis, a mid-level trough will amplify over the Rockies, with surface low deepening anticipated across the plain states today. Gradient flow to the west of the dry line will promote dry and windy conditions across the southwest into the southern high plains. Guidance consensus depicts widespread 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained westerly surface winds overlapping with 15 to 20% relative humidity for much of the afternoon from the lower Great Basin into western Texas, warranting elevated highlights given dry fuels. Critical highlights remain in place across eastern New Mexico and western Texas, where the aforementioned meteorological conditions will overspread receptive fuel beds, experiencing fuel loading. Isolated dry thunderstorm highlights are also in place to address initial lightning strikes and erratic thunderstorm wind gusts with the storm development over dry fuel beds. So, that's your day 1 fire weather outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fire can start to spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today, because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Because one, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe, and it can damage the environment, and you could get a pricey fine if you get caught. Additionally, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly, and make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe today, and I will have my day 1 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.